तो ये जो सर्वर है इट इज नॉट गेटिंग कंसिस्टेंट, जो डेटा आ रहा है कंसिस्टेंटली एक ही जगह से नहीं आ रहा है, मल्टीपल जगह से आ रहा है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज एडवाइजिंग अस टू. नेक्स्ट अगेन सेम, ऑप्टिमाइज इमेजेस. इफ यू इंस्टॉल एनी प्लगइन व्हिच विल लाइक आई सेड स्मश इट, अगर आप डाल दोगे तो दिस विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. मिनिफाई जावास्क्रिप्ट, ये दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कीप अलाइव का क्या मायने है? इट सेज कि ये जो रिसोर्सेज हैं, कीप अलाइव का मतलब होता है आई गो टू वेबसाइट, मैंने इसको क्लिक किया फोटोग्राफ को. वंस द फोटोग्राफ there is a file in the web root of the web server. There is a file called .htaccess. How many of you know? There is a file called .htaccess. It defines everything. उसमें if you say deny from all, nobody will be able to see it. If you say deny from a particular IP, that fellow will never be able to see it, right? If you in the file, if you write that the cache, once I go to a browser and view a particular file, that htaccess file I can define कि जो डेटा गया है मेरी मशीन में, मेरे ब्राउजर में कितने दिन तक रहेगा, 3 दिन रहेगा, 7 दिन रहेगा, 1 साल रहेगा, I can define that. So that htaccess file you can modify that. If you do that, मैंने इसमें 10 दिन कर दिया, तो 10 दिन से क्या होगा कि, लेकिन उसमें I should not this decision I have to take a very conscious decision, because मैंने अगर 10 दिन कर दिया, 10 दिन के बीच में मैंने डेटा चेंज किया, तो जो व्यक्ति देख रहा है उसे तो एग्जैक्टली वही पुराना वाला डेटा नजर आएगा. So first we need to analyze our website and see what are the static parts. Static parts we can always tell the web server itself कि ये जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, जो जैसे मेन लोगो है चेंज नहीं होगा, हेडर चेंज नहीं होगा. There are certain things which will not be changed. We can just include that so that, और जो चेंजिंग वाली चीजें हैं उसमें हम लोग एक दिन 6 घंटा 4 घंटा रख सकते हैं. Optimize images. So these are the images. .png. These images, they need to be combined actually, optimized. Minify CSS, server scaled images. Server scaled images. Normally when you upload a page, upload a photograph on a website, you can have multiple things. एक तो ये कि as it is, मान लीजिए 1 MB का some resolution there, x2 by 2000 into 1800 का है, लेटर से DPI का एक फोटो चढ़ा दिया. One mechanism is that I break up that photo gets converted into at least 50 photographs, each with a different DPI. So based on the speed, based on the initial loading, initially क्या करेगा, वो छोटा फोटो दिखाएगा. So by the time this fellow clicks it, उसका next higher फोटो दिखा देगा. I'll give you an example. I'll show you an example. For this particular server scaled images का एक आपको example दिखाता हूँ. Let me go to gallery. See, Indian Railways photograph, photo and video gallery. Let me go to this Shaku Kapla, right? और यहाँ चलते हैं, ये अच्छा लग रहा है. एक जमाना था जब हम पिकासा में डाला करते थे, राइट? बाद में गूगल फोटोज में डालते हैं आजकल, isn't it? But this is neither Picasa nor Google Plus. This is a separate thing. What I was trying to show you, we were talking about scaled images, right? See, this image which we are viewing now, इतनी सारी images एक साथ आ गई, जल्दी आ गई. लेकिन अभी ये जो image दिख रही है, this is not the original image. This is a scaled image. And let's take some beautiful photograph and then try to see. let's take this. This is another plugin I have used. यहाँ मैं I can write copyright at the rate Yadvindu. I just wrote copyright. इसमें if I go here, see if you see, come here. I have uploaded only one image, right? See what it has done. It is this is the original image. It is broken up. It has scaled the image. वो जो GT matrix जो बोल रहा है हमें. This is what we have done it here. What we have done is tiny 240 into 189, 400 to 324. This. So based on the speed, based on what initially you want to serve, and finally अगर कोई व्यक्ति full image देखना चाहता है तो full image भी देख सकता है. Let us see the tiny image and the full image. दोनों देखते हैं. एक ओरिजिनल कर दिया और एक टाइनी कर दिया. Just see. ये टाइनी इमेज है और लेट अस सी द ओरिजिनल इमेज. ह्यूज इमेज. सो वी वर हियर. कहां पे थे हम लोग? यहां पे थे. It is giving lot of recommendations. With a minor tweaking, we should be able to increase the score. We'll see that boys this thing. Solution for let's see. अगर आपका स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है, how if you want a 100% score, what do? You create a page and just say my name is Jogendra Yadvindu. One request. स्कोर बहुत अच्छा होना भी बहुत बड़ी अच्छी चीज नहीं है. इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? कंटेंट कितना है. और उसमें कंटेंट होने के बावजूद भी देख ले बेटा, ठीक है? तो एटलीस्ट आज यहाँ आने का तुम्हें ये फायदा हो जाएगा कि when you go back, you try to do whatever has been told to you, and it will become very fast. 68 request is not acceptable under any circumstance. 68 रिक्वेस्ट भी वो पगला रहा है आपका जो ब्राउजर है. gzip ऑप्टिमाइज इमेज मोटा वही है. इफ यू सी ना, gzip है, ऑप्टिमाइज इमेज कर दो. ब्राउजर कैशिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब ब्राउजर में कितने समय तक आप उस इमेज को रखना चाहते हो, राइट? Let us examine this website. इस वेबसाइट को एग्जामिन करते हैं, ठीक है? This site has 3 pages, right? This is the main menu. 3 पेज हैं इसमें. And further there is another menu is there. There are 2 menus. This site is using 2 menus. This is a widget it is using, and he is also using this. हाँ, गूगल एडवर्ड्स यूज कर रहा है. कितना कमाई हुआ तेरा अभी तक? झूठ बोल रहा है. $15 के लिए तो बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है भाई. गलत बोल रहा है. नहीं, चलो ठीक है. चलो आई टेक योर वर्ड यार. See, what is required to be done here is, what he has done is, he is using this page setup. If you see, there is a left pane and there is a right pane, right? So he is using 2 panes. But in the process, what is happening is, this space is not getting used, right? Further, if you see, no, he is using 3. It's a three levels. 3 levels are there. One is this, second is this, and third is this, right? Categories and all. So first requirement is whether you really need to have a 3 panel menu, 3 panel page. That is what you have to take a call. Because almost 50% of your space is getting wasted, right? So you can decide कि मैं एक ही left side में रखता हूँ, right? Or you can also go for a full page also. Secondly, this width is pretty. Even if you want to keep, let's say 1 or 2, you should be able to reduce this width. ये width कम इतनी ही कर दी जाए, आपका add word सब आ जाएगा, but at least this width should become from here to here, isn't it? In CSS, if you go, you can do that. If you just modify the CSS, तो आपका ये जो width है, default width you can change. But then again, if you directly change the CSS in the main theme, if the theme gets updated, then all the changes are lost. So you need to create a child theme for that and then do customization in the child theme. These you see, these are categories and these are posts. WordPress has got 2 types of इसमें आपको दिखा देता हूँ. In WordPress there is something called a post and there is something called a page. There is a difference between a post and a page. Post is जो मैंने something which is does not have a longer life broadly. मुझे समझ में आया, मैं कहीं गया, फोटो करी, I wrote a small article, post कर दिया. Post is based on the time and the date when I am posting it, right? Then there is a page. Page is supposed to be permanent. Once you write a page, then it is supposed to be used again and again and again. Post is not supposed to be used again and again. In WordPress, the post has a functionality called category. You can add category to the post. So if there are 10 posts in which you categorize them as politics, so anything related with politics, it is there. When you click on any post in which the category is politics, all other posts related with politics will come. Unfortunately, this functionality is not available in Pages. But again, there is a plugin. You can install a plugin in WordPress wherein you can categorize the pages. It is not a default. It's not a default part of WordPress, but you can add a plugin which will add category to the pages, and that is a great thing. Once you do that, then all your pages automatically come at one side. I'll show you an example. Achha, one more thing, how to reduce the initial default page loading time and उसको कैसे अगर change करना है बिना कुछ किए, with a very little tweaking. I'll just show that. You go to the theme and customize. Okay. See, this is my default page, right? This first page is a full page. There is no left panel, there is no right panel, right? But if I click on, let us say, this secondary suspension system of LHB coaches, if I click on this, what happens? Let us just see. मर गया ये. Actually, the problem with this site is every day around 10.5 GB data is being downloaded from the site. कितना? 10.5 GB. So, despite my going to level 3 paying, but I can't, at a personal level, I can't go to that level, you know. 10.5 GB data is being downloaded from the site every day. इसमें, if you go to customize, see I am in customize, right? It tells me it is a child theme. If I go to content home post, it asks me front page क्या रखना चाहते हो? Front page what I have taken is my latest post. So जो front में जो ये आ रहा था, these are posts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all this. These are posts, right? So the last post which was made by me was on, it will give a date also, I think. By heavy corrosion repair of passenger coaches. Initially, if I want some other page to come here, what I do is I go to this. It asks me latest post चाहिए, post नहीं दिखाओ, या static page. I go to the static page. Then it asks me कौन सा पन्ना, which page out of the 1000 pages, which page you want to show. Let me go to a page. Bearing, roller bearing, coupler, shaft animation. Diesel loco. EMD basics. Let me go to EMD basics. Now this HTC bogie is the bogie for EMD locomotive 3-phase electric locos का एक ये page है. If I publish it, then my website first page will become this. Let us just see. I'm just saving it and let's see what happens. Now it is saved. If I click again, what will happen? It is a single page, right? But front page has to look good and beautiful. So I will change this. इसमें एक चीज और मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. Here this front page which I have selected, it is coming single. There is no menu, nothing is there. So what I do is I keep the same page, but I take a left panel also. So I'll go back, layout, left sidebar. Okay, left sidebar is there. If I press this, force default layout everywhere. So even on the home page it will be a left sidebar. Let me just do that. Save. Now that HTC bogie page, which is now the home page, when it will come, it will not be a complete page. It will have one left and right. Let's see कैसा लगता है. Similarly, जब आपका 3 वाला है ना बेटा, you can make it 2, or you can increase the width of the middle panel. See, the menu has come here, right? It is now the page is coming only in this area, isn't it? These are the tags which have been created. Now these tags, the default only posts can have tags, but when you install a tag manager or a category manager, then even pages can have a tag, right? So if I click on Fiat bogie, what happens? See, any page, any post which has this tag will appear here. See, when I click Fiat bogie, what is happening? Everything related with Fiat bogie, suspension system of Fiat bogie videos, brake caliper, brake disc. Let's go to this. Suspension system of Fiat bogie. Tagging and categorization is very important in any website, because ultimately when a user is there, when you are on a particular type of a post, you would like him to go to the next one related with that. So suspension system of LHP bogie. Anybody can tell me what is this? Not related with website design, but ये है क्या? ये जो है ना, ये yellow color का जो है, what is this?
Excel box.
Bearing तो अंदर है, बहुत अंदर है इसके. See, this is called the two-thread wheel. Electromagnetic. See, it has a relation with EMF, electromagnetic induction. EMI, EMF. नाम सुना है? how it is related and what is its function. Normally as a common man we don't know. See, ये जो पहिया है एक्चुअली इसके ऊपर एक इसके अंदर बियरिंग है, एक्सेल के ऊपर लास्ट में लगाया हुआ है. इट इज अ व्हील जिसमें कट्स हैं, टूथ्स बने हुए हैं. When the wheel is rotating, what will happen? If it is a single one, then there will not be any change in EMF. There are sensors are there. There is a electricity supply is there. So because of the space, the EMF changes, and based on that, it is able to sense the speed of the axle. So on every axle, this device is there, and in case the angular velocity of one axle and another axle on the same bogie changes. आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? I am telling something which is beyond thought. रेलगाड़ी जब चलती है, रेल का डिब्बा होता है, कितने एक्सेल होते हैं? 4 एक्सेल होते हैं. एक बोगी में 2 एक्सेल होते हैं, इधर इस बोगी में 2 एक्सेल होते हैं. एक एक्सेल में 2 पहिए लगे होते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि रेलगाड़ी का जो डिब्बा है उसका हर पहिया सेम स्पीड से घूमता है. What I am saying? कभी सोचा है? Have you ever thought about it? I am making a statement that the wheel की जो angular velocity है सभी पहियों की सेम नहीं रहती है. Nobody would have told you this, but this is a fact. How it can happen? कुछ नहीं है, हो कैसे सकता है? मेरे पास एक बैलगाड़ी है, ठीक है. बैलगाड़ी में एक लकड़ी का पहिया लगा हुआ है. उस पहिए के ऊपर मैंने मेटल की एक स्ट्रिप टायर लगा देते हैं गांव में. दूसरे वाले पहिए पे मैंने टायर नहीं लगाया है. क्या होगा? धीरे धीरे घिस जाएगा. घिस जाएगा तो क्या होगा? डायमीटर चेंज हो जाएगा. दोनों की स्पीड चेंज हो जाएगी. ज्यादा चेंज होगी, एक्सेल टूट जाएगा इसका. बट this train says it is capable of 140 normal, 160 with some modifications. So there is a device called WSP, wheel slide protection. What it does is, in case the speed of the wheel on the same axle, it is unheard. When the velocity of the wheel on the same axle or the speed of wheel on the same bogie or the speed of wheel on the same coach, if there is a change, then the WSP starts working. वो क्या करता है? ब्रेक सिलेंडर से जो प्रेशर है, it changes the pressure to different wheels. दबा देता है तो then. So we have been able to convert this page from 1 to 2. We have been able to see the tags. Now I will change my page to the default page. Front page, static page की जगह I take my latest page. Save. Now people also want कि मेरी वेबसाइट पर कोई अच्छा फोटो है, तो somebody is already logged in as in Facebook or somebody is already logged in as Google. What he has done, he has used a plugin, social plugin type का कुछ इसने use किया, wherein if I am already logged in Google with my Gmail account or if I am already logged in Facebook, if I like my page, something can come, I can click that. तो जैसे ही उसको लाइक करेगा तो इसके पेज पर आ जाएगा. Is that it? Let us go to the CDN. Let us see ये CDN क्या कर रहा है. Cloudflare I have spoken about, right? How the caching takes place and all. Here you have to map the API of your site with that CDN. Then the caching will start happening. Let us go to analytics. What it's trying to tell me is out of the 79,000 requests which it has received, 51,000 requests were routed through the CDN. ये जो नीला वाला है, this is the cached request and these are the uncached requests. That means let us say on this particular day 14 तारीख को दिसंबर के दिन में टोटल रिक्वेस्ट आई थी कैश 1509 है 37 यानी करीब 5200 रिक्वेस्ट आई थी 5200 रिक्वेस्ट आई थी उसमें से 1500 रिक्वेस्ट वर रूटेड थ्रू द कैश सर्वर सिचुएटेड इन सिंगापुर एंड बैलेंस डायरेक्टली वो वेब सर्वर पर गया। तो इससे फायदा क्या हुआ? सीपीयू यूसेज कम हो गया, आईयू कम हो गया। अगर ये नहीं करता तो अगर ये प्रोसेस अगर ये सीडीएन नहीं करते तो वेबसाइट बैठ ही जाती, इवन यूआरएल डालने के बाद में नहीं आता, राइट? It says it has saved 19% of the web bandwidth. The beauty of all this is that it also, see, there are good people on the net, there are bad people on the net. There are people whose job is only कि कोई भी website आया, it has to be brought down. So what they will do? DOS, denial of service attacks. From the same IP, they will keep on bombarding. Normally this happens when you have enabled the comment box. आपने हर पेज में आप चाहते हैं कि लोग बोले बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी की जगह पे आदमी क्या करेगा? People will keep on bombarding you with all nonsense things which you can imagine. So what will happen? Ultimately जितनी ज्यादा रिक्वेस्ट आएंगी आपकी साइट पे आ रही है, मतलब आपके सर्वर पर आ रही है, बट आपने जो पैकेज लिया हुआ है उसमें हर पैकेज में लिमिटेशन होती है। If the concurrent request becomes more than 50, more than 100 at the same time, then your site will become inaccessible, right? This through a CDN, what they do is they create a geo spatial database of all the IPs from where regular threats are emerging. Ukraine is there, Belarus is there. ये कुछ जगह है जहां पर there are certain IPs, उनका काम ही है. The moment a site comes, their job is to bring down the site. They will keep on sending lot of messages and they will keep on pinging the site basically through some mechanism, through some request, so that ultimately the site goes down. उनको इसी में मजा आता है. तो ये क्या करता है? CDN में since your name server is already mapped there, so the request is going to the CDN. CDN already has a IP database where all that kachra is coming, so it will deny that fellow to reach your this thing even for updated pages. कैश तक भी नहीं आने देगा और अपडेटेड पेजेस में भी नहीं जाने देगा. One more thing, see, you see the URL. ये URL क्या है? trainsofmedia.org, ICF coaches, coaching basics. Just have a look at the URL. This URL is not automatic. This also has to be defined कि आप बंदे को क्या दिखाना चाहते हो. इसमें अगर आप पोस्ट आईडी, पेज आईडी कर दोगे तो वही आएगा. सेशन डाल दोगे, सेशन आएगा. And all the settings are available here. If you go to this permalinks will have. It says अभी हमने select किया post name, right? तो trainsofmedia.org/parent/child/child/child आता है, and it can be changed to month, date, day, name, numeric, anything, or you can have your own random this thing. So when it shows, once you change that, this will change, right? One more thing is there is an import tool and an export tool. Let us say you have installed a local host. We will do that here. अगले 2 दिन में हम तो करेंगे. Local host बनाया, वेब सर्वर डाल दिया, डेटाबेस सर्वर डाल दिया, बहुत सारे प्लगइन्स चढ़ा दिए, थीम बना दिया, बड़ी सुंदर वेबसाइट बन गई. Everything is grand. Now you decide to buy a package where you want to show it to the world. ये मैंने तब दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. No. There is again a plugin is there which can export whatever is there which you have created in localhost. So the right thing always is to create a website in localhost with all the plugins, do whatever changes you want to do, play with it, right? Theme ले लो, CSS में changes करो, do it on localhost. Once you have done it, once you are satisfied, once you are happy, then you also download a plugin, upload a plugin called Google Importer or Google Exporter. I'll just show you. If you go to setting, this tools, there is import is there is export is there. So once your site, let us say, is on localhost, in which all the plugins are already there, in which the theme you have already customized, you have done all those things. You go to settings and export this. Let me see how it looks like. So I am on a live website. I will not play too much, but let me go to export. Assume that you are on your machine and you are exporting. So it will tell me what do you want to export. You want to export the pages, you want to export the post, you want to export the media, and from which date to which date. So it will take, क्या बोल रहा है? Ultimately it will create an XML file. And since XML file is like a database file, once you import it on the domain which you buy, whether it's a HostGator or GoDaddy or BitRock, उसमें आपने ले लिया, the site is ready. See, सारा कंटेंट, पोस्ट लेना है, पेज लेना है, मेनू लेना है, मीडिया लेना है. डाउनलोड एक्सपोर्ट based on the size, 25 MB, 100 MB, whatever size is there, you download it, and then when your site is ready, so once you have installed the website on GoDaddy or anything, the XML file which you have exported from localhost, you take it and import it here. Go to import. Import what? WordPress. Run importer. Thaya. So the beauty of the entire system is that you get to play with it. You get to play with all the plugins. You can also see the performance of the plugins, how they are behaving. जो ज़्यादा लगता है कि परेशानी create कर रहा है, उसको निकाल दीजिए. क्योंकि when you go and search any directory of plugins, for the same functionality you will find at least 100 plugins. Now you have to take a call कि कौन सा use करना है. And it is all a hit and trial. Or unless you get a guy like me who can tell you कि भैया directly ये 10 plugin डाल दें, बस. The rest you can do that. Because a million plugins are available. उन millions में से कौन से लेने हैं? That is a very judicious decision which will come to you only after a lot of hit and trial. So it is better to do a hit and trial on the local host, right? I think let's call it lunch का time हो गया सबका.
वही 149 के नीचे सर, नीचे
This is my favorite. is for these children. This is an animation which I made some time back. Just have a look. Hello, thank you for giving me time. I hope it was useful. I'll be more happy if you, all of you, do it on your machines. All of you. It is a game. You learn. It will be a pleasure for you also. Hello, thank you.